So this is a 1960 BSA A10 Golden Flash, 650cc, air-cooled, 4-speed gearbox, drum brakes, kickstart. It's very different to what I'm used to. I haven't even had the bike running yet. It came with a brand new battery that needs charging, so as soon as that's charged up, we'll try and start her up. Should be interesting. Eventually I'd like to use this like an adventure bike to day trips, off-road, camping, all that kind of stuff. Probably not as technical as tracks I do on the V-Strom, but yeah, we'll see. So long-term plans for the bike. I love the desert sled style bikes. I may go down that direction, but for now I'll be getting it registered and just riding it as is, get used to the bike, see if I like it. I don't even know if I'm going to like riding this thing. She's an old girl, but yeah, see how we go. So a 19-inch wheel. .650cc air-cooled engine. So a toolbox, 19-inch rear wheel, drum rear brake, so oil tank, kickstart. We have a right-hand gear shift, it's 1 up, 3 down. Pre-unit engine, ML carby, drum front brake. It's a 6-volt charging system, 40,000 miles on the clock. I believe that's horn, that's headlights high and low beam, I think, and I think that's your kill switch. Not 100% sure just yet. We're missing the cap there. This has been painted at some stage. You can see there's a blue. Will that pick up? That's probably the original colour. This would have been chrome on the side, blue on top. This paint hasn't stuck very well to the chrome. Let's see if we can get this bike started. I bought this bike sight unseen. I've heard it running in a video, but I haven't had it running yet. Trying to find the choke. I don't seem to have one, and doing a bit of research. I don't think this is the original carby. This is a concentric carby, not a monoblock. Anyway, fuel's on. Okay, let's tickle the carby. Oh, there we go. Got some fuel out of it. So it looks like I've got some work to do. Short ride in the yard, nearly crashed. The front brake didn't do much. 30 years of riding Jap bikes, muscle memory kicked in and my right foot went for the brake. Other than that, it sounded really nice idling, but once I give it a few revs, the revs seem to stay up, so I'm not sure what that's about. Come back into the shed, left a trail of oil, so I've got a few leaks, so yeah, I've got some work to do. Yeah, anyway, I'm sure I'll get it all sorted out, so keep an eye on the channel. I'll keep you updated on how I go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.